Hello and welcome. This is Abdul here with my video tutorial on Poodle in the Moodle Editor. Poodle is one of the best utilities we find on Moodle. We can ask students to submit we too can upload our audio clips, and we can ask our students to submit their audio clips, their videos, their images, their other types of such visual clips on Poodle. So Poodle makes it easy for all of us, and it's especially very useful for language teaching. Language teachers find it extremely useful. So let's see how the icons work on Moodle Editor. First of all, we can just start adding a discussion topic on the course page. And when you click the add button, when you click the add new discussion button, we find this. We find this section here like that. And first of all, we have to, as usual, we have to give it a title. Okay, let me give Poodle. Subject can be Poodle. Okay, when you give the subject, you can just start clicking the editing button. So this is the way how we upload. This is the editing section, and when you upload your items, so there are numerous icons here. We can editing tabs. You can see the texting tabs. You can see uploading links. We have already seen all these things. Images. We can even schedule Teams meeting on it. So the Teams icon is also being added to Moodle Editor. And right now, I'm talking about these icons you find at the last part of this editor section. So first of all, we can see the recording icon. And when you click the recording icon, this window pops up, and you can record your sound. You can record your audio. Let me try this. Hello, hello. I can stop it. And I can even try playing it. After recording, we can play it. So after recording and playing, we can upload it. The third section here, the third procedure, uploaded successfully. After uploading it, we can insert it. So we are going to insert the uploaded audio to Moodle. This is the last thing we can do. So when you upload your audio clip, you can find this link being automatically. When you insert your audio clip, you can find this link being automatically added to the Moodle page. And when you save it, so the posting function is here. We have to save it. So we submit. We should post to the forum button. Let me click the post button. And when you post it, you find it like this. Let me show you. Okay, so I have just added this discussion topic. Let me click it, and you find it like this. So this is the way how it looks like when you insert your audio clip to Moodle. Let's go back and see how other icons work. So the next icon is the video button. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's click it. So if you want to see these icons, you have to click this button so that all the hidden advanced buttons can be shown. So it belongs to the hidden section. Okay, you can see it by clicking this. And once you click it, you can see these icons. Now let's go to record video. And when you click record video, again you can see the window much more like the audio recording section. And just you can start by clicking record. When you click record, your video will be recorded and you can play it, and after that you can upload it. So 3 steps, and the last one is to insert. So we have 2 things here. First one is the audio clip, the next one is the MP3 video clip. Okay, let's see how it looks like. And if you go to save button, now we can save, because already we have posted the discussion topic. Now we are going to add something to the already posted. Okay, so this is the way how the video recording works. Let's go back, edit it. We can add more features. So we have already tested audio, video, and now the third thing we can do is to work with drawing. You can create your own media file. We can draw pictures, we can write something here with the pen, much more like the whiteboard. We can select the icon size, we can select the color. Okay, you can select the color, you can draw something like this. Okay, this is much more. I'm going to draw something like a house. I don't know whether it looks like a house. We can have more trees, because in our country, in our locality, we have plenty of coconut trees. So I always try to draw coconut trees. Okay, we don't have time to complete the drawing. We can always select some other color too. Maybe we can select the color of the sun or moon, whatever they say. So after drawing these things, we can just upload it successfully. And what we have to do is to, let's see, what we have to do is, as usual, we have to click the insert button. And when you click the insert button, the picture is directly inserted on Moodle. And the last thing we have to do is to click Save Changes. So usually we post these things, but now we are playing on the same page, working on the same page, so we can save changes. So again, let me edit it, go back and see if there are any other buttons to test. So 3 items. We have to click the show more advanced features icon. First one done, second one also tried, third one done, and the fourth one is to take a picture. Now we can get a snap, a photo of the speaker or something like that if you want to get a quick snap. Let me click take a picture button. So we need give permission to maybe some camera errors. Okay, fine. Let me take a picture. Picture is taken. It's being uploaded, I think, and we can insert it. So we have tried all these things. We have uploaded the photo as well. So now let us look at, let's see where the photo is being uploaded. 1 minute. Okay, fine. Let's save it and we can check it if the photo is being inserted. Okay, we can go back. We can check it at the end. We can go back again and see how the last icon work. So here again we have to press it. Click this icon. Go to the last one. Here you can add, maybe if you want to add some icons like this, maybe a stopwatch widgets, what we call widgets. You can insert widgets like stopwatch. We can add a stopwatch. Let us insert it. Again, if you want to add something more, you can also add a YouTube widget. Maybe let me click it, YT, whatever is it. So all these things can be uploaded, shared using these icons, these what we call Poodle application icons. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. This is one of the best tools. This is one of the best tools we find on Moodle Editor. So try using Poodle applications icons. You can come out with wonderful experiments. Maybe wonderful items. You can upload wonderful things, audio clips and video clips and images and photos with Poodle. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.